This video will discuss using the VapCyc help file. The help file is an often underappreciated tool, considering that it contains information on everything from the basic functions of the VapCyc software to some of its more advanced features. The help file can be accessed by pressing the Help tab, then pressing Contents. This brings you to the full contents of the help file. The section on the left is the navigation toolbar. Its default window is the table of contents of the VapCyc help file. The table of contents includes general sections such as installation and setup, creating a new cycle, running a cycle, tools, which cover some of the more advanced features, components, which has some details about some of the components in VapCyc, and tutorials. Each of these sections can be expanded into more detailed subsections, including a subsection on using coil designer heat exchangers in VapCyc. Besides for the table of contents, the navigation toolbar also includes an index, where you can search with keywords, a simple search function to search for any words, and a Favorites tab. To navigate between the sections, one can either click between them or use the back and forward arrows at the top, which will bring you between previously visited sections. This entire navigation toolbar can be hidden and then shown again with the appropriate buttons. And sections of the help file can also be printed. When asked to print, you can either print the selected subtopic that you are in or every topic under your current heading. All of these commands can also be accessed under the Options tab. For more information, please contact support@optimizedthermalsystems.com.